SLX Outboard. Starting up in the bow, you have cup holders, grab rails, and speakers on both sides. Dedicated storage here, easy access. Picnic tables for the bow. You have fresh water up in the bow in addition to a boarding ladder, or you can also do a windlass anchor. Your armrests are adjustable. Really comfortable seating at nod skid in this area up here. So seated here at the helm, I want to showcase a few features. This is a joystick boat. It's powered by triple 300 Mercury Verados, those are supercharged engines. You have digital throttle and shift, the dynamic running surface from Sea Ray, and active trim as well. We have the 16-inch Ray Marine here, the standard 9-inch integrated dash, along with Mercury vessel view. Showcase the head first. You have a large, sizable head with a porcelain self-contained vacuum flush toilet. You do have a windscreen here, folds out. There is a day berth on this boat if you want to get out of the sun, take a nap. There's also a pretty nifty feature right here. Gives you just a nice setup, allow for easier access down there. Back towards the cockpit, great social area, tons of seating. This seat here swivels to face forward or can face the cockpit. And you have flip-up bolsters. Lots of storage throughout. This one's equipped with a grill, as well as a fridge, trash receptacle here, and a prep sink. Standard hardtop comes option with the convertible canvas closure here, so you can get a nice sunroof area. You also have the powered aft sunshade that extends all the way out over the aft seating area. In addition, since this is an outboard boat, this whole storage area that would be dedicated for your engine compartment is a powered garage door that exposes ample amounts of storage. You get a nice aft lounger here when it's not in use. This folds down with non-skid for a standing platform. These loungers flip up. There's also ample storage beneath this compartment that opens up towards the front of the boat. You have stereo controls, raw water and fresh water, plenty of walk across space, and you even have a manual submersible swim platform off to the port side. That's our 350 SLX from Sea Ray. Hope to see you down at the Charleston In-Water Boat Show. Thank you.